What's going on, good people? Welcome to the channel Millennial Assets. I'm your boy Nico, and every day I'm gonna give you the up-to-date news in the cryptocurrency space. If you like that, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you smash the like button, and then also make sure you comment below. Without further ado, let's hop into the markets. So I got CoinMarketCap pulled up, and let's go ahead and take a deep dive into the markets. We have Bitcoin sitting at $54,624. It's down about 1.84% in the past 24 hours, and it's up about 0.48% in the past week. We have Ethereum. We're gonna be talking about how Ethereum hit its all-time high today. Ethereum is absolutely on the tear, sitting at $2,719 right now. It is up 1.20% for the past 24 hours, and is up 12% for the week. We have Binance Coin, $568.31. It's down about 1.67% in the past 24 hours, and is up 2.28% in the past week. Then we have SRP sitting at $1.34. We have Tether. We have Cardano. Cardano is at $1.30. It's down about 2% for the past 24 hours, and it's still up about 8% for the week. We have Doge. Dogecoin is sitting at 31 cents. Dogecoin is up now about 16% in the past 24 hours, and it's up about 2% for the week. Then we also have Polkadot. We have Uniswap, and we have litecoin sitting in the top 10. Let's also keep scrolling down. We have VeChain sitting at 13, sitting at about 19 cents right now. It's down about 8% in the past 24 hours, and down about 15% for the week. So it's doing a little correction right now, which is pretty healthy. We have Solana at the number 14 spot, and then we also have Stellar sitting at 17, and Filecoin is at 18. So markets ain't doing too bad, too shabby right now. But let's talk about the story of the day. We have massive stories all over that I definitely want you guys to check out. But we definitely want to talk about Ethereum. Ethereum hitting all-time high, and how high can Ethereum go? I think it go pretty high. And Ethereum hitting all-time highs right now is very, very exciting. I know probably in the past month, Ethereum was very stagnant while Bitcoin was going up. Everybody was like, what's going on with Ethereum? Now Ethereum is going absolutely crazy right now. So let's go ahead and take a deep dive into the news. We have the SEC delays decision on approving Bitcoin ETF. So we've been trying to get a Bitcoin ETF for the longest. I have no idea why they are not trying to approve it, because once we have a Bitcoin ETF, it's going to be very bullish in the markets. Let's do a deep dive in. The Securities and Exchange Commission on Wednesday delayed its decision on approving the VanEck Bitcoin ETF until June, as the regulator's new chief begins to review high-profile asset applications. The SEC typically takes 45 days from when an application is filed to render a decision on whether such a security should be allowed to trade. The 45-day window for VanEck Bitcoin ETF ends May 3rd, but the SEC is extending the deadline. Not quite sure why they're extending the deadline. I guess they want to do extensive research about Bitcoin if they don't know what Bitcoin is by now. Honestly, I think it's just giving them more time to I think they're going to just keep on delaying it, because I think they know what's going to happen once an ETF gets approved. It's going to be massive rally for Bitcoin once that happens. Let's continue on to other news. We have, we guys already know about Tesla buying $1 billion worth of Bitcoin earlier this year. And this article is saying by the end of March, it was worth $2.5 billion. You can't tell me that's a great investment. And Elon Musk is probably smiling right now on how good that investment was for Tesla. Tesla's $1.5 billion bet from earlier this year had already increased in value by more than $1 billion by the end of last month. The company disclosed in February that it was used some of its available cash to invest $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. Tesla on Monday reported a record quarterly profit, disclosing it had sold 10% of its Bitcoin stake, netting a $101 million profit in those sales. Wow, that is major. So Tesla was just the pioneer as far as these massive tech companies that's getting into Bitcoin. It definitely will be other companies. It has been a speculative that Facebook had some Bitcoin, but we don't know yet. So we still trying to find that information out. And we sure there was going to be other companies that's going to follow suit. Let's go ahead and continue to other news. And as we were saying, Ethereum hits a record high. And let's continue on with the article. The cryptocurrency Ether hit a record high of $2,714 yesterday. The spike follows Tuesday's announcement that the European Investment Bank will sell bonds on Ethereum network with the aid of Goldman Sachs, Banco Santander, and Societe Generale. Plus, Visa announced it settled transaction using Ethereum early on this month. So there's a lot of bullish news happening with Ethereum right now. And now it seems like finally the price of Ethereum is reflecting to it. And it's only the beginning, ladies and gentlemen. Ethereum is going to go much, much higher. My personal opinion, Ethereum can definitely reach in the $20,000 range by the end of this bull cycle. Let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin right now. So this is Bitcoin at the daily. Bitcoin right now showing that it's trading at 54,512. Right now I have the EMAs up on here. So right now what I'm taking a look at is to see if Bitcoin can press through this EMA. Once it presses through above this EMA, that means we might have a short-term bullish trend to the upside, which I'm hoping that it happen, but we'll see. We'll definitely take a look at it. But let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum right now is still trading over $2,700. And let's see what the high was that it hit. It hit $2,755. Woo! Ethereum is going on an absolute tear. It's been on a rocket ship for the past couple of days, and I think it's not going to stop. I think it's going to hit 3,000 really, really, really soon. So that's going to do it for this video, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for stopping past my channel, Millennial Assetz. If you like this video, make sure you don't forget to smash those likes. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Peace.